The MFC L5900DW, designed for business, offering reliability, productivity, and cost-efficient output. You can count on reliable business performance through its redesigned paper handling and overall construction. And because your business moves fast, you can expect fast, high-quality printing to help maximize your productivity, offering an adjustable 250-sheet capacity tray for fewer refills. The 50-sheet multi-purpose tray makes printing envelopes and other materials easier. Expand the printer to hold more than 1,300 sheets of paper for even more efficiency. The 70-page capacity automatic document feeder delivers business-fast scanning and even faster two-sided scanning. Share with others on your work group through wired Ethernet or Wi-Fi connectivity. And wirelessly connect from virtually anywhere in your office from your mobile device. Use the large adjustable color touchscreen display to easily access time-saving apps to enhance your workflow and access popular business cloud services. The Brother model protects against unauthorized access by integrating with Active Directory technology and helps you save money with the high-yield replacement toner cartridge. With award-winning customer satisfaction and reliability, free phone support for the life of the product, and consistent, high-quality output with genuine Brother supplies, Brother is at your side.